Hey explorers, come with me on my first road trip with one of the most amazing people you would ever meet. That's the idea.
So guys, we are at Calabar.
Yes.
We are on our way to where?
Obudu Cattle Ranch.
Journey with us.
Let's go.
Starting this journey, I didn't think it was going to be so long, seeing that we are already in Calabar, but from Calabar to Obudu was almost 8 hours. It's about 7 hours plus drive. Wow. But this remains one of the most interesting trips I have ever been. Before we get right into the journey, let me introduce everyone. That's Meshki in front. This is Anton, yes, the one coughing. That's Edith and that's Chinidu. They are all content creators, including myself on this trip. So yes, this is me trying to switch to Netflix and just chill. Now tell me, what is a road trip without being stopped by the police for stop and search? This is also catching cruise with the policemen, because why not? We cannot be bothered on this
Imagine
trip.
us complaining before now that the police are not stopping us, and these ones decided to stress us. Anyway, we're done and then we're off on our way. We had not driven off 300 kilometers from where the police stopped us, and next thing our tires got busted. Like, at this point we're almost frustrated. Everybody was just in their seat. We just decided to just sleep. For some of us, we slept off. It took almost 2 hours for this thing to be done, but seeing that we're a bunch of creatives and interesting people, we just decided to really explore the space.
Where did you get it? This looks so... How did you find it?
Is the water there? Is that water that's...
The one that it was supposed to be taken before.
We found sugar cane. It was so nice. Haven't had it in forever.
An impossible task. It was taking so long, and Meshki said to come up with ideas on how we would move if the tire doesn't work. With the tire?
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do?
One person is lifting the car, the other person is doing the tire.
Let's cover content.
Finally, the driver came to explain to us what really happened with the tires.
Okay, you don't buy the valve. So don't need to put the spare tire. Okay. So don't need to put spare tire.
While we're still waiting, Chinedu, who went out for a stroll, came back with gist.
What type of bushmeat?
I asked you now. I told you
grass
now.
cutter? What did
Did you buy
after I've transferred?
Yeah,
And I said, now tell you having a grass cutter, but that's the most common one. And I heard bush dog. And I said, come again, sorry.
You're not
It's a
whining.
proper dog, you're not whining.
Should we go and I wish I record. I said, what again? I heard bush dog. Like, oh. Huh?
Did you buy? Did you ask what this one is?
It's a bushmeat now. Bushmeat is not grass cutter.
Bush meat grass cutter now.
Plenty.
Is it the same place you guys bought it?
Bush goat.
Bushmeat is not dog. Dog is
I
not
know.
bushmeat.
I mean, there's bush goat, there's futambo, there's bush pig, there's plenty
No, bushmeat.
Where did you buy this?
General
one?
is that same place. That guy.
I told you that when you get there, ask them what kind of.
I did not ask what kind of bushmeat first now. It's after I've paid, because it's mainly grass cutter and antelope that is the most common
Bushmeat.
Then there's
But you're not.
pig,
This is.
there's
Have you been here
futambo.
before? That's why you should ask her. What kind of bush meat is this? So
I've lived here before.
when you were going, I told you that maybe you have been meat. Yeah, you have to be sure.
I've lived here before. I'm telling you, these are the most common bushmeat you will see. You will see porcupine. You will see porcupine. You will see this thing. There's this other one. This is called longmouth. There's this other bushmeat. You see porcupine.
Which one is this one?
It's not even on cap. The man said it's bush dog.
How can I ask you?
There's nothing like bush dog. Dog is dog.
Give me dog.
She's bingo.
Have you seen a deer belly?
What if this dog is a
There's no
pet?
bush dog.
What if this dog is a pet? Somebody's pet, and I want to be somebody's pet. Let's go and meet that man and see. No.
Why are you sad?
I should. Let me just.
But me, I don't fit chop am.
Let me.
I need to put this dog. The dog will eat this dog.
Yes.
They said they don't. Bush dog. Why I buy them for dog say, let me use water. Because my dog will hate water. I sit outside.
One of my neighbors. The chap just want to eat dog. He don't come house. Sit barking, sit pushing.
Serious.
Because say she pass.
We might eat the dog now and
If
then.
you chop am, say dog pass you sniff that thing, they will be back.
No born that dog where?
They go dey back. My dog do am.
Just father. Man, not.
My dog did that thing.
Show your misbehavior.
You cannot catch me.
Why you throw your legs just now?
And that was just now. outside. Bro, see how this car almost.
That's what I'm telling you to leave the road now. I was just telling you.
I don't get sense.
When I was going to the east, that's what happened.
No.
Car stopped by the road just like this one because we had like transformed the tires and everything. That's how the mechanic was not trying to repair the car. He was like under the car trying to. The driver is like beside him trying to like assist him, but his bomb is put to the road. That's how that car just cleared him.
That means the car tapped his eyes.
Cleared who?
My driver.
See.
And the guy died.
No, you just said this way.
The guy was like this.
Anton, stop.
And the car just. The car tapped his eyes.
So when you visit,
I'll chase that car. I must have my ass back home.
The car or the man?
The man, no, the man was straight. So as nothing can.
Can I ask you a question? If I flog somebody cane, it will make you feel the pain, shame?
Yes.
But if I put sugar cane, will it switch the pest or will it
the pain be sweet or bitter?
The pain will be sweet.
Sweet pain.
If not somebody like
What did you tell the man?
And I told him not to that my friends don't eat dog. He's like, it's not
didn't make
dog,
fun.
it's bush dog.
We know the
I
job.
said all the same time. So he said
I get
we can wait that they have this thing on fire, porcupine.
That's better.
Porcupine actually. So I
Porcupine
think
better.
if it's ready before we leave, like collect
What? They have another type of meat. They have another type of meat.
porcupine, yes.
Which part? Which is it private part of the porcupine? Ask them the part of the porcupine.
The sugarcane was so nice. I've enjoyed myself.
Seeing that we have delayed so much and the tires have stolen 2 hours from our travel time, we decided to shoot content.
Action. Action.
Easy na me, take it easy. Catch some cruise my cheese. You spoke one for days. Come on for the body, no they breathe. Put on your shoe, make it stand at this. All your sorrow, make it dance them free. If you know be kalala, yeah. If you know be kalala, get them fuji. One my joke,
And in no time, we're back on the road. This journey was so long. At a point, we were just stuck on Google Map trying to, check the time left to get to Obudu. It was almost getting dark. This was 7 p.m. ish, and we're seeing the mountains, but obviously it wasn't Obudu mountain. It's past 8 p.m. and we're still not in Obudu at this point. I personally was so tired. I was super stressed.
Sorry.
Mesh, why good?
But it was good news when the driver said we had less than 30 minutes to get to Obudu. So yeah, we're excited at this point. So this is the best part of the journey, right? I cannot explain this part to you. This is the road that leads to the top of the mountain where Obudu Ranch is located. And trust me, it felt like a maze game. It's like a spiral web, part. This pathway goes all in circles up onto the top of the mountain, very tippy top of the mountain where Obudu is located. And we did not have the full experience because of course we arrived late in the night, which was kind of not much fun. But seeing that we crossed around a mountain right at the top of the mountain at night was super scary because the car kept turning left and right and left and right, all in circles. But finally we arrived, everyone smiling and excited regardless of the fact that we had a shitty stressful day. But yeah, we are here
And it's so cold here.
we went straight to the reception to go try check-in and do some registrations. Yeah, this is the reception. They had beautiful art and craft. It was just giving the African vibe.
Hi guys, we're out here in Canada because it's really cold.
It's Calabar.
Canada.
But it's really cold here, Sha. Are you smelling it?
Trying to get the distance.
What are you doing here?
We're done with registrations and goofing around, and it was time to head to our ranch apartment.
We said good to go together.
Remember, what's that?
What's the word? Like my hand is like.
We're giving briefs and stories about the mountain.
The higher you go, the mountains, the cooler it gets.
Yes.
But the sun is up.
It doesn't work.
Wow.
It does not get hotter.
So like
It gets cooler.
by 6:30 in the evening till 12.
So there's no solar.
Like this, is there lights like this?
Yes, there's light like this. 12 like 8 hours. 8 hours like every day after 2
I think I
hours.
did our apartment. When I saw it on
Is there bush?
Which one is
that
ours?
we can keep?
Their apartment.
Oh,
If you can enter the bush, you are welcome.
but they are reserved. They are reserved that you cannot enter. You must not even enter.
If it's cooked one, you see it tomorrow, but not today. But you can't
There
walk.
don't be lights.
No.
Snake,
We don't have those ones there. What
There
they
don't
call
be
it?
lights.
Do they have elephants?
Morning.
These are cold-blooded animals, so it's difficult to see.
Not yet.
Okay.
Call ranch whatever. So this first cabin. That's where you can see all those animals.
This is the first what?
I mean, I'm just explaining.
Okay.
These are cold-blooded animals.
The option of
Are we there yet?
Yes, this way we're going.
because I don't think I can miss.
Open the door.
5,000 naira. This thing is not negotiable.
Every hour.
It's not. It's not negotiable. It's not. And we'll be happy if we can be our.
Power supply.
I cannot lie, the place looks super amazing, but telling us that we'll only get 12 hours of light from 6 a.m. in the morning to 8 a.m. and then from 6 p.m. in the evening to 12 a.m. the next morning is just very bad. We had no idea about this before we got here.
First 5K per hour.
So guys, we are in South Africa, not Nigeria.
Peace be unto this home.
South Africa.
Yes, I can hear you very well.
It's giving like the cabin in the movies.
Yeah.
Why is it got bed like this?
Sorry, I know you might think
I'm in South Africa actually. Like,
country, but I'm not. I ain't in your regular country.
I thought when you're a winner.
What are you speaking?
South Africa now.
Tui. No, toda. What's in that side?
It's light now. It's 12.
Is it me or is it a bit dusty? Is it me or is it a bit dusty? Oh, there's another one upstairs. You know what I mean? It didn't move. Move.
We are not charging there. This is like an option. Like if you want to have a travels, then you pay for it.
that's inside level sound. It's never sounded.
Don't say you're not charging us. Don't give
Open
us.
that one. Open that one. What does it lead to? There's nothing here, not even a towel. Okay, sorry. No vex. What's inside? What's here? What's here? Did you open this one? This one. What's there? Yo.
We're getting here. We're getting here.
What's the thing? What's the thing?
And that was it. We actually did get here because we were too tired to check all the cabin. This place was not bad at all. I'll show you the view in my next vlog. Do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.